For the first 4 years, Mattel Indonesia's Barbie plant in Cikarang focused on ramping up the plant to capacity as quickly as possible. The Barbie product line grew by an annual compounded rate of 20%. Productivity was not the priority at the time. At the end of 1996, we needed to redirect the workforce of 7,000 people from a ramp-up mode to a productivity mindset in order to increase overall plant capacity. At the time in 1996, we experienced many problems in maintaining the level of production. Direct labor efficiency was 54%, process waste and resins was 22%, overall plant scrap was 7.5%, and daily schedule adherence was 60%. These were only some of the results of the operations due to the cumulative impact of many problems we were experiencing. My staff and I didn't have the time or resources to address all of the problems we were experiencing, nor did we have a program to focus the plant on. We invited Impact to do an initial assessment of our operations. In the 2 weeks, they discovered the operators were doing non-value added work 40% of the time, then that their individual pace on a station could change by as much as 60%. The line supervision was on the line only 19% of their time, and the number of forms used in production in order to keep track of daily and weekly performance was 500 forms. We decided to go with Impact on a one-year program because their focus was line supervision, an area we clearly had not addressed properly at Mattel Indonesia.
Going back to a question that Impact, when he was here doing the presentation, okay, there were a question that how much processing we can save after we got the Impact program. So, well, I was quite skeptical, and to me sound is more theoretical without knowing what would be the program look like. But after we going through that over time, then looking through the materials, the presentation, and also the intensity they put the program in-house, then I would say that this is coming over now.
How do we do this was the main question on the directors' minds. We had limited resources and probably not the time or expertise to accomplish what was necessary. Enter Impact, a world-renowned consulting company who specializes in two areas: behavior improvement and systems development, also focusing their attention on frontline supervision, the area we needed the most attention.
The results were outstanding. Efficiency has improved 40% to 75%. Resin waste has fallen by 60%, and daily schedule adherence has increased up 25% to a total of 75%. Yet the visual impact of the change is more impressive. Last year we ran 2 shifts with 3,600 people per shift, operating 70 hours per week just to maintain production at 200,000 engineering hours per week. Now we have 3,600 on one shift, 1,600 on a second shift, both shifts operating 45 hours a week to maintain the same level of production. Clearly, we have more capacity without an expansion.
Program produktivitas Space 97 Plus terdiri dari 6 bagian atau elemen yang saling berhubungan dan mutlak dipunyai oleh setiap program peningkatan produktivitas di setiap perusahaan. Dengan terbuktinya building 2 dari efisiensi rata-rata mulai 57% sewaktu Impact mulai di gedung 2 sini, kemudian berakselerasi dengan cepat mencapai 75% pada saat Impact selesai programnya, dan 1 bulan kemudian building 2 telah dapat mencapai 81%.
The savings have been substantial in many areas, and it's probably best reflected in our improvement in efficiency, which has grown from 1996 level of 50% up to currently about 75%.
We have learned a lot in the last year. We have changed a lot, but most of all, we have created a new way of thinking for the whole of MGS for the future.
Suatu pabrik yang ingin maju itu harus mempunyai suatu sistem konsep yang bagus. Nah, di sini Impact itu sangat membantu sekali.
Kita bisa lebih luas cara berpikir kita, dan kita bisa berkompetisi dengan pasar global. Dan menurut kami, program produktivitas ini telah merupakan kunci tercapainya tingkat produktivitas kita saat ini. Menurut kami, program ini atau sistem produktivitas seperti ini mutlak dipunyai oleh setiap perusahaan kelas dunia.
It took some months to appreciate and understand the program, and we were all reluctant to change. Then we realized change starts with ourselves, and we had to be the role models for our staff. Confidence quickly grew as successes were achieved and the structure began to take shape. The program has provided a common focus for us in 1997 and created a solid foundation of correct behavior and synchronized systems.
The Impact program is a success at Mattel Indonesia. It's a lot of work. It takes substantial dedication, focus, and involvement from all levels of management and supervision. It has to be the #1 focus in your operation. The Impact team was very supportive and worked long hours to make the program successful. They were flexible and changed the program to meet our specific needs. I would recommend this program to be evaluated by any executive who is serious about improving the productivity of their organization in a very fundamental way.
We said at the start, yes, we can. Now we can say, yes, we did.